What's up, my peoples? We got another score at the Bid FTA. Dominique went and picked up. And this is an item that I've been wanting forever. Dominique always tells me no. She tells me no, but I'm not allowed to tell her no. So, I think that's not fair. Is it? She's not going to answer me. She's in gaming mode. I don't know if you can see her back there. So, check this out. It's a 3D printer. I'm pretty pumped about. I've been wanting one of these 3D printers forever. Oh yeah, we gotta put this together. Oh yeah. This might take a hot minute. There is a lot of pieces and parts, looks like. But overall, this was a brand new.
I don't remember.
You don't remember? But it looks like everything's brand spanking new, like in the box. And I'm gonna assume it was a Amazon return because it's got there's a Amazon sticker, but it was all taped up. I mean, you can see everything is, all the pieces, it looks like everything's there. There might even be some, I think that is the control board. What would be really cool is if there was some filament in here to start. But, so, this is probably what I'll be doing here later, putting this bad boy together. And then I'll get a quick clip so you guys can see what it looks like when it's all put together. Yeah, that's the control module. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped. We're about to be making all kinds of stuff. I can't wait. Yeah. What did you pay for this one? This
40.
Is $4.40?
Yeah, that's the most expensive thing that I've bought.
Yeah, so the most expensive thing she's bought, it was 40 bucks. If anybody knows anything about 3D printers or have looked at them, 3D printers aren't cheap. Most of them range, like this one in particular, I looked it up and it's the Ender 3 Pro, I think is what it is. And depending on the size of it, it usually starts out at like 300 bucks and goes clear up to 1,000. So I mean, this was a steal.
This sells for $2.99 at Walmart.
$2.99 at Walmart. There's your answer. So, heck of a steal, like I said. Still taped up in the box. Looks like brand spanking new. So I'm pretty pumped about that. Got all the pieces laid out. And there is a lot. So, this is going to get pretty interesting. Really interesting. This might take me a minute.
Oh my.
Yeah, there's a lot. Like, there's a lot of parts.
Carson pieces.
Like, there's little servo boards. There's little, yeah. So I'm gonna get diving into getting this put together.
Do you want to go with me to go?
Okay, it was a super late last night. Yeah, really, really late. And I was working on putting this 3D printer together. I got to a step. It really made me mad. It fought me and fought me and fought me. And yeah, I didn't even pick the camera up to even do anything. But by the time I got it running last night, it was super late. And then it came with this little SD card, thumb drive stick, and usually they have a test file on it. So I was like, oh, I finally got it going, got it set up, got everything calibrated. I thought I did. I mean, obviously I'm still learning, but I start running the test file, everything's working. So here is the end product, finally put together. This is from what I was running. Of course, I haven't picked up any of the trash. So I'm gonna go get Paisley. Where's the little thing at? So once I started getting it going, and it was like all 4.5 hour print, and I'm like, dang, what is this test file? Well, what I was looking up for what the test file is, it's supposed to be like a puppy dog. Well, so I let it go for a while, and I went and played some 2K. Well, then Paisley come out, and it was still running, and she was like, oh, that's one of them Chinese cats. And I'm like, what? So I leaned up and looked, and I don't know if you can see it. Well, he's missing his head because we ran out of filament. So the filament they gave with the printer. So I was looking it up, and the test file that comes with the printer, there's supposed to be just enough filament that comes with the printer to be able to print that test file. So that way it gives you a chance to run the printer. Yeah, there wasn't enough filament for the printer, so I gave up on that last night. I don't even remember what time it was. So I'm kind of finishing the vlog as like a part 2 from last night when I started unboxing this thing and getting all the parts and putting it together. Yeah. Not a great night. Took a while, but at least I got to play some 2K. Yeah. Let's see what outside looks like. I think it's supposed to be cold today. Oh, not bad. The sun's shining. Oh my gosh, that's bright. So, I know later today we got plans to go out and see Gigi. So we're going to bring you guys along with us. We're going to get to see the chickens. Gigi's got a chicken coop, a bunch of chickens. So we're going to see, I'm going to check the chickens out. Yeah. Sucker, it's not nappy time. Sucker. Gunner, you think that's a headrest? Huh? Is that a headrest? No? Yes? But we got a lot to clean up. We got a lot of dishes to do. Got behind on the dishes. Do we have any dish soap? I think I'm being ignored. Sucker! Sucker! Man, it's bright outside. Sucker! Sucker! She is ignoring me. Sucker! What are you doing?
What?
You sleeping?
Yeah.
So, got gonna cut it short. So we got a lot of mess to clean up. I got a lot of mess to clean up. I gotta get a spot for this printer on the desk, cleared off, hooked up. I still got comes with zip ties, so that way, like, all these extra wiring and that, you can, you know, zip tie it up and make it look nice. So I'm gonna work on that. Get the house clean, because you can see behind me it's a mess. And then we're gonna pick up here later on our way out to Gigi's house. And yeah. Oh, well, here, I'll show you guys that it all works. So you turn this bad boy on. Oh, no? Uh-oh. Maybe it's the surge protector. Let's see. Huh. Well, okay, I lied. I think we might have a problem. Off. On. Okay, we got a little bit of a problem. I'm gonna have to figure that out, because now it won't turn back on. So yes, what is it, day 23? Yes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and be you, be unfiltered, and we'll catch you guys next time.